Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel AM Dublin. It's early morning. Today it's 6:45 in the morning. I decided to just do a quick walk around Dublin to see how the city looks like. I wasn't here a few months because of quarantine. Like, I'm still in this area but not in the city center. But I want to see more than just the queue on the TikToks and Facebook. Queues to the Primark and IKEA and all shops were supposed to be some sales, but actually it's no sale. Now city it's almost empty and I love it. That gives me opportunity to show you some part of the city, and we will see. I just want to go until Temple Bar and show you the river and Main Street. I'm quite surprised the Primark is not open from 8 o'clock anymore. I think it was from 8 or from 8:30. Now because of coronavirus it's from 10 or 10:30. Okay, that's been no shopping in Primark for me. Thanks God I don't need anything. But I really like this shop. Not with the queue, because I don't think anything is worth to spend like 1.5 hours in a queue. But definitely when everything will be over, I want to visit this shop and do some shopping for myself. One of the most busy McDonald's ever is closed. Very sad. I'm a huge fan of McDonald's. And yeah, the Mac drives are open, but it's in the city center, unfortunately no. It's 7 o'clock and actually city looks quite empty. For this crowd what was before looks actually like ghost town, but because of that I have a time to just walk around and do photos and videos, and actually all streets are completely empty, what is really cool. I'm in a Temple Bar right now. Over there it's a Temple Bar. Temple Bar, not Temple Bar as a place. Never saw temple bar so empty. Looks actually quite cool because I have a time to go closer and see everything. It's always super cloudy there, mostly in the evenings or weekends. It's like super crowded, and now everything is mine. Yeah, they do some work here. I have a city map. I show you where we're actually walking. I parked somewhere here. That's a Spire GPO. We just walk here beside the Trinity College and Bank of Ireland. We walk here close to Dublin Castle, but it's close. I just pass here and I walk here, and now we are on this place. That's the Temple Bar Market, this one here, but it's closed. Now we will pass Halfpenny Bridge and slowly we will be back to the Spire. Now I'm on the Halfpenny Bridge. It's getting busy here. It's difficult to record when people walking. Actually, maybe 5 o'clock will be better to just come here and have an old space. Eight o'clock and streets are empty. I'm quite surprised. I expect super crowd now. Very sad view. Very sad because Dublin is always full of people. The people living here very intense. It's very busy, and now it's empty. Second part of the day will be the beach because of the weather, and I'm in the Newcastle beach. I show you this super beautiful spot now. Beautiful end for today. Time on the beach is always my favorite. I told you many times I'll show you many beaches. This one is quite empty and it's quite close to my home. I really enjoyed this spot. You actually need to know be the local or need to know coast really well to find this hide treasure. It's absolutely stunning. I really enjoy morning in Dublin. Was really nice. Was really nice to see the main street and all the most important tourist parts. But now beach where it's peace and quiet is my absolutely favorite number one spot to spend free time. Thank you very much for watching me today. Have amazing weather, beautiful time, and see you in another vlog.